What's up? So, back at this SR again. Ripped the cover off already, as you can see here. Got it over there. Might actually get that thing powder coated this time around. I don't know. But on initial crack open here, there's nothing really standing out to me as crazy. All my cam lobes are pretty damn good and shiny, and nothing seems to be worn away or grinding on anything. I got all my shims for all my rocker arms in there, so I didn't lose any of those. None of the rocker arms look broken from first glance. So on my continued search, I happened to just see this and kind of hit my chain a couple times, and then noticed how much slack was actually in it, and it seems like a little bit more than normal. I don't know, maybe it's a tensioner issue. Maybe my tensioner's not holding pressure when it is under oil pressure, like under higher RPMs. So that's basically where I'm at. Probably end up ripping the turbo off and the intake manifold, all that, because I am going to replace the head gasket no matter what, just because I was already having an issue with losing water and losing oil through some unknown source. Although the compression seemed good, I never did check it, but butt dyno on the compression seemed pretty damn good. Who knows, maybe I'll take the rocker arm stoppers off this time. My good buddy BJ that owns Tallahassee Cylinder Head here in town basically is pretty anti rocker stopper. So I don't know, we'll see. So far so good. I got plenty of room on my shelf here. I can put a bunch of crap. Got most of the other parts stacked here. Clutch wasn't too bad. I kind of almost thought there was like a rear main seal leak or something like that, but oh yeah, this is funny. You guys might want to see this. This is what's left of my transmission mount. Yeah, apparently it just disintegrated to pieces. I don't know if I had it over torqued or what the deal with that is, but I have to get a new one of those. It's my B&M short shifter. Bam, that's the best one, if you're ever wondering. ISIS isn't bad for the money, or ISR or whatever. Yep, that's basically it though. Bam. Got the intake manifold off. Tried to get this turbo manifold off, but kind of fought me over here on these screws. Hard to see. Hold on, I'll give you a light. It's kind of hard to see in these screws right here, but these studs coming out the exhaust, I snapped that one right there. I'm gonna have to do some surgery or something to get that thing out of there. Yeah, so I just decided to stop on that one before I do any more damage for now. But got the intake manifold off, got the power steering and the alternator ripped off the front. Got the oil drained, just in case. I'm gonna look through the oil and see if I see any metal shavings or anything when I'm about to pour it out just now. So, yep, this is where I'm at. Now, I took the turbo manifold off and got the intake manifold off. Some bullshit, took the CAS off. I have a lot of slack in my chain. It's kind of troublesome. Look how much slack that is, dude. That is not a factory amount of slack. Granted, there's no tensioner in it right now. I took that out already too, but I think something's wrong. Either I broke a guide somewhere, or the chain is super stretched, or something's going on. Cam lobes and everything looks good. There's some like heat marks and shit on some of them, but none of them are scored. They're all still super smooth. Tomei cams, 256s. It's kind of dirty right here on this one corner of my block too. I'm trying to figure out why that is. Did I have an exhaust leak? Was the turbo leaking or something? What the hell? It's only right here. Everything else is pretty clean. So I'm trying to figure that out. I am going to paint my rocker. Well, not paint it. I'm going to have it powder coated. But a buddy of mine is going to help me with that. And he said I could do whatever color I wanted. So I don't know what color I'm going to do yet. I've had a couple people tell me that I should do classic red top instead of the fuchsia that I did paint it. But the car's going to be gloss white or pearl white, you know, and with black wheels with a brushed aluminum lip on them. So I don't really know. The only other color I would think would be cool would be like blue or a color matched color, but white's been done so many damn times, but I feel like red has too, so I don't know. I mean, I'll get to a point where I'll just probably make it red or something, who knows, just something to make it clean again. But yep, that's where I'm at. I'm going to take the cams off next, and basically that's it. Take the cams off, get the head off, and look at them cylinder walls and check out the head gasket that's in there, and I don't know, try to find what the hell was making my noise, although this doesn't look very promising here, like I said, with this chain tension. So we'll see. See how I'm taking them off here, because you don't want to lose those shims. They're different and all that, so I kind of just do this. Probably snap a picture just for all else fails. But if you watch the way I'm kind of sliding them off, I'm pulling it off the actual lifter first and then sliding it off the shims. Everything here looks pretty good. Don't have any collapsed lifters. Everything looks pretty clean. It's good. So far, so good. But Alright, I'm gonna devise some sort of means of putting these all in there. Probably number them. It's number 30. That one's 32. 31. 29. Oh. They all look good. I don't think it really matters which order they go back in, but I'd probably just put them back in the same spots, because why not? Or maybe not. I don't know. We shall see. Oh, and to get these shims out, you're going to use a magnet. Pull them right out. I don't have enough torque to do this without spinning the whole fucking stand. Nah, I'm gonna need somebody to help me. Chat! Alright, well, for now, this is where we at. We're about to take the head off this beast. Go from there. Still haven't found any problems. You shut up. Haven't found any problems, but who knows? We shall see. Yep. Peace.